Now your exercise 14.2, 14.1 based on mean and 14.2 based on mode. First sum is इसमें कोई step deviation or division method नहीं है, only one method. Median and mode, only we have a unique method. The following table shows the ages of the patient. Shows the ages of the patient. Admitted in hospital. During a year. पूरे साल में कितने हॉस्पिटल में पेशेंट एडमिट हुए. फाइंड द मोड ऑफ द मोड एंड द मीन, दोनों पूछा है इधर. फाइंड द मोड ऑफ द डेटा एंड मीन ऑफ द डेटा. राइट. Compare them. Compare them and interpret the two measures. These are the two measures of central tendency. You compare them and interpret two measures of central tendency. Compare and interpret मतलब you have to compare them, how they are differ from each other, what mean represent, what mode represent. Now the data is given like this, age in years. Okay, it is from 5 to 15, then 15 to 25, then 25 to 35, then 35 to 45, then 45 to 55, and then 55 to 65. And the number of patients are given as 6, 5 to 15 में 6, then 15 to 25 में 11, then 21, then 23, then 14 and 5. Total number of patients are 80. Okay. Now you are asked to find out mean and mode both. So for mean, I should find out class mark. Okay. Class mark are denoted by xi. So they are 5 plus 15 by 2 is 10, 15 plus 25 by 2 20, 10 का गैप आया तो लिखो 30, 40, 50 and 60 हो गया. Now xi are very simple, so I can apply direct method to find out mean. No shortcut is required. 10 into 6 60, 20 into 11 220. You go on multiplying fi with xi. It is like this, 920, 700, 15 into 14, 700, 60 into 5, 300. So my sigma fi xi is 2830. This is preparation for getting mean. Okay. Now for mode. Mode के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? First I should find out the model class. Okay. Mean के लिए सब तैयारी हो गई. Model class is a class with highest frequency. Highest frequency is 23. And class against 23 is 35 to 45. Clear? So naturally my L is 35. Right? L is 35. Now frequency of model class is 23. Frequency of a class preceding to model class is 21. And frequency of the class succeeding to model class is 14. And H length, class length is 10. सब तैयारी होगी. Now I should find out first mode and then mean. Clear? So for mode, first we find out the mean. Mean x bar is sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Clear? So it is 2830 upon 80. So it is 35.37. Now you find out mode. Mode is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Put the value. L will be 35 plus F1 मतलब 23 minus 21 upon 46 minus 21 and F2 will be 14. Clear? Into H मतलब 10. So if I do the calculation, it is 35 plus 2 upon 46 minus 35. So it is 11 into 10. So my answer is approximately 35 plus 20 by 11. And that is 35 plus 1.8 and 1. 1.81 I think. So it is 36.81. Now see, mean is 35.27 and mode is 36.81. Here mean is less than mode. Why? Because what does mean represent? Mean represent average age of patient. And mode, what does mode represent? Mode represent age of most of the patient, okay? Represent maximum patient are of age 36.81. It shows mode represent most of the maximum number of the patient having age this, and mean represent the average age of all the patient. Mean में all the observation are included. Mode में only we include the observation which are having the maximum number of observation having that value. Okay, that is the difference. Clear? Now sum number 2. Sum number 2 of your second exercise is the following data gives the information on the observation on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components. Determine the model lifetime of the components. You are given the following data gives the information on the observed lifetime in hours of 225 electrical component. We are given total number of observation are 225 because there are 225 electrical components. Determine the modal life of the component. Okay. Do you understand the questions? Right? First I will write data is given in lifetime in hours and you are given frequency. Lifetime is given between 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 200, 100 to 120. Clear? And frequencies are 10, 35, 52, 61, 38 and 29. Now, modal class is 60 to 80 because the class with highest frequency is 61. So 61 की सामने का class है 60 to 80. So naturally here L is my 60. What is F1? Frequency of this class is 61. Okay. Frequency of the class preceding to middle class, you see 52. And frequency of class succeeding to middle class, or model class is 38. And H is length, class length is 20. Now I use the formula of mode. Mode is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2, bracket complete into H. So I put the value L is 60, F1 is 61, F0 is 52, 2 times F1 is 122, F0 is 52, F2 is 38 into 20. Clear? I put the value. Now do the simplification. 60 plus 61 minus 52 is 9 upon 32 into 20. 20 को 5 4 जा and here 8 4 जा. So it is 60 plus 45 upon 8. Okay. Now 60 plus 45 upon this matlab it is 60 plus 45 upon 8 is 5.62. Clear? And that is 65.62 hours. This is the model time. 65.62. Clear? The given distribution. You are given distribution. What does it shows? Shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen. Okay, of the world in one day international find the mode of this data. You are asked to find out the mode of this data, okay? Now the data is given like this. Runs code. And here number of batsmen. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one day international. Find the mode of the given data. Now the runs scored are given in the interval 3000 to 4000. Then 4000 to 5000. Then 5000 to 6000. Then 6000 to 7000. Then 7000 to 8000. Then 8000 to 9000. 9000 to 10,000. And 10,000 to 11,000. Clear? And the batsmen are given 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, 1, 1. Sigma Fi is given as, अपनों को जरूरत नहीं है मोड में, Sigma Fi I don't want. First you find out the model class. Model class मतलब class with highest frequency. Here highest frequency is 18. So my model class is 4000 to 5000. So naturally my L will be 4000. Clear? My F1 frequency of model class is 18. Frequency of class preceding to model class is 4. And frequency of class succeeding model class is 9. And length of class is 1000. Everything is ready with me. Now I have to apply the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This formula अभी तो learn by heart हो गई होगी, है ना? Put the value 4000 L की जगह. F1 is 18 minus F0 is 4. 2F1 is 36 minus F0 is 4 but F2 is 9 into 1000. Okay? So it is 4000 plus 18 minus 4 is 14 upon 36 minus 13 is 23 into 1000. That is 4000 plus 14,000 by 23. When I divide 14,000 by 23, my answer will be 608.7. So my answer is 4608.7 runs. My mode is 4608.7. Most of the children, maximum batsmen, they score 4608.7 runs, okay? It is not the average, it's a mode, maximum batsmen. Get this. Now sum number 6. The sum is a student. Variety of data are given, मगर formula तो एक ही रहेगी. A students not the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarize it in the table given below. Collected data he has represented as given in the following table. Find the mode of the data. Okay, do you understand the question? Now the table is given like this. You are given first column in number of cars. Second is frequency. Number of cars between 0 to 10. Then 10 to 20. 20 to 30. 30 to 40. 40 to 50. 50 to 60. 60 to 70. And 70 to 80. These are the number of cars between 0 to 10. Then 100 periods में a student note the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarize it in the table given below. So here 7, here 14, here 13, here 12, here 20, here 11, here 15, and here 8. Okay. Now, total is 21, 24, 34, 36, 46, 56, 67, 77. This is 100. Total periods. 7 पीरियड में 0 to 10 cars. 14 पीरियड में उसने देखा 10 to 20 cars are passing. So, what is the model class? Highest frequency here is 20. So, class against frequency 20 is 40 to 50. So, 40 to 50 is model class. So, here L is 40. Frequency of model class is 20. जो highest frequency है वो ही है. F0 मतलब frequency of class preceding to this class is 12. And frequency of class succeeding to this class is 11. देखो है ना. And class length is 10. Now apply the formula of mode. Mode is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Put the value. 40 plus bracket में 20 minus 12 upon 40 minus 12 minus 11 bracket complete into 10. So it is 40 plus 8 by 17 into 10. If you calculate, it is 40 plus 4.64. And my answer will be 44.64. These many cars is the answer.